You're watching Tap Tech, the place where we bring you the latest reviews on tech that matters, explained in a simple and clear way. If you love flying drones or you're just curious about the next big thing from DJI, then stay tuned, because today we're taking a deep dive into the DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air series has always been about balance. It sits between the compact mini series and the more advanced Mavic line. With the Air 3S, DJI aims to refine that balance with better performance, smarter features, and a camera system that can capture more detail than ever before. This drone is designed for creators who want high-quality aerial footage without having to carry around a bulky setup. The specifications of the DJI Air 3S immediately set it apart from the older Air models. It comes with a dual camera setup, which includes a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. This gives you more flexibility when shooting, allowing you to capture landscapes with one lens and then zoom in on details with the other. The main camera features a larger sensor that improves low-light performance, something that drone users have been asking for. In terms of design and build quality, DJI has gone with the familiar folding arm structure that makes the drone easy to carry. The Air 3S feels sturdy in hand, with materials that are both lightweight and durable. It has a refined aerodynamic shape, reducing wind resistance for more stable flights. The build quality feels premium, which is something DJI has been consistent with across its lineup. The display experience mainly comes from the DJI RC controller, which features a bright, integrated screen. This makes flying more immersive and reliable, as you don't have to rely on your phone screen, which can be hard to see in bright daylight. The UI is responsive and provides all the information you need about the drone's status, camera settings, and flight safety. Performance-wise, the Air 3S is a step up from its predecessor. It comes with improved obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, giving pilots more confidence when flying in tight spaces or near obstacles. The flight stability is impressive, even in moderate winds, thanks to its enhanced motors and improved flight algorithms. With an upgraded transmission system, the Air 3S can maintain a clear and strong video feed from much farther distances than before. On the software side, DJI includes its suite of intelligent flight modes. Features like Focus Track, Active Track, and Point of Interest allow you to create cinematic shots with ease. The drone's AI-powered subject recognition has also been improved, making tracking smoother and more reliable. Quick shots and master shots are also available, which are great for beginners who want professional-looking footage without too much manual effort. Battery life is another area where the Air 3S shines. DJI claims up to 46 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, which is a big improvement compared to the Air 2S. In real-world use, it's slightly less, but still enough for extended flights without constantly worrying about recharging. The new charging hub is also smarter, prioritizing the battery with the most charge first, so you can get back in the air quicker. For those who want to use the Air 3S for creative work, this drone delivers. The larger sensor captures more dynamic range, giving you footage with more detail in shadows and highlights. Low-light performance is better than before, reducing noise when shooting at dusk or dawn. The telephoto lens opens up creative possibilities, letting you create shots with compressed perspectives that were difficult to achieve with older models. When it comes to audio, drones are not about speakers, but DJI has optimized the noise profile of the Air 3S. The propellers are designed to reduce noise during flight, making the drone less distracting when used in populated areas or during nature shoots. Connectivity is another strength. The Air 3S uses DJI's latest O4 transmission system, giving you stable 1080p video feeds at up to 20 kilometers away in ideal conditions. This kind of reliability is essential for both casual flyers and professionals, as it means fewer connection drops and a smoother flying experience. The price of the DJI Air 3S puts it between the Mini series and the Mavic 3. It's not the cheapest, but it offers a solid balance of features and performance that make it worth considering. For creators who don't want to jump all the way. Why to a Mavic 3 but still want pro-level footage? The Air 3S offers excellent value. Looking at the pros and cons, the Air 3S has a lot going for it. Its dual camera setup, long flight time, improved obstacle avoidance, and strong connectivity are major advantages. On the downside, it's not as compact as the Mini series, and while it's more affordable than the Mavic line, it still comes at a premium price compared to other drones in the market. In the final verdict, the DJI Air 3S proves itself as one of the most well-rounded drones available right now. It takes everything people loved about the Air 2S and makes it better, adding more creative options, more reliable safety features, and longer battery life. Whether you're a casual flyer who wants better footage or a creator looking for a reliable tool, the Air 3S hits a sweet spot that few drones can match. This was Tap Tech, where we break down the latest tech in simple terms to help you decide what's worth your time and money. If you found this review helpful, make sure to stick around, because more exciting reviews are coming your way soon.